Hey guys, it's Christy with WTI. If you love a good, fun, strategic game for your family, you've got to check out Battleship Outer Space. This is so cool. So if you're familiar with the classic Battleship, exactly the same concept, but with a slight twist. So it's 3D. Check it out. So you have a lower level and an upper level, also known in the game as Sector 1 and Sector 2. Very simple, you place your ships wherever you want, and then you have the corresponding letters and numbers for their coordinates. Your opponent will guess where they think your ships are, and whoever sinks all your opponent's battleships first wins the game. It's really fun. My 9-year-old especially is really into it right now. So if you're looking for a great family game, I would definitely recommend Battleship Outer Space. And that's my point of view.